Hi guys, today I'm going to show you on how to make a basic quiz game using Python. I hope you guys can relax yourself and enjoy watching this as I will go through step by step of making the quiz. So let's jump into it. First you need to have is a Python software. So where do you need to install it? From where? So just search from Google. You can go to Google. Just type Python. As you can see here it appears welcome to Python, or you can straight away click the download link. There you go. It will lead you to install or download the Python. Usually if after you download, then you will have to install the software. After that you can use it. So for me, I already installed my Python, which is I'm using Python 3.10. So this software actually I'm going to use an ideally Python 3.10. Actually you can use another software, which is for example Visual Studio Code or a PyCharm. But for this simple quiz, just have to use Python IDLE. So just click that. As you can see, the screen will appear. So this is IDLE shell. You don't want to write your code here. Actually, this is uh, where the code, after you run it, then it will appear here. So what you need to do is to open a new file. Just click on new file. So another screen appear. So this is where you write your code. So after you write your code, you just click to run, and then it will appear here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, my idea for the quiz game actually simple. I need to welcome the guests. I will add user, all the player into the game, and after that I will provide them the question and answer, provide them a score and the marks, and then I will ask them again whether they want to play the quiz again. So first thing we need to do is, so I'm going to write here the first things that we need to do is welcoming the user. So I'm just going to write a comment here. The first thing that I need to do, welcome the player, since it's a quiz game. So I just need, can write any sentence you want. For me, I'm just going to write welcome sorry need to write welcome to my quiz game. It can be anything, guys. Just welcoming words or sentence to user that want to play the games. So I will start to write the code. So first of all, we just need to type print, open and close bracket with double quotations. So you need to write your welcome sentence in the middle. So for me, I'll just welcome the user by saying welcome the quiz game, welcome quiz game, welcome to the quiz game. Okay, let's try to run it and see how it goes. Okay, it says here source must be saved first. Okay, whenever you run your program, your code, they will ask you to save your code. So actually you can save anywhere you want, your desktop. For me, I will put it in my desktop. So I will put here quiz game quiz game 1. You can rename it anything, guys. For me, I'll just put quiz game 1. So I'll just save it and see how it goes. See how it display. So there you go. Welcome to the quiz game. So basically, if you write your code here, so they will display it here in the IDLE shell. So let's continue. Welcome to the quiz game. So after that, I will ask them again whether they want to play, yes or no. So if yes, then we'll proceed to the question. If no, then we'll quit the game. So I'll just have to print. No, actually I'll just have to write playing space equal to put open bracket and close bracket, double quotation, sentence in the middle. So ask user or player, do you want play? Can be anything, any sentence you want. So here I'm going to space. For this space, actually, for this space actually for your answer, your feedback, the user feedback, actually they want yes, then they will write their yes. If they don't want to play the game, they will just have to write no, yes or no. Okay, after that, going to write an if statement. If playing space is not equal to yes, yes, don't forget double quotation line, yes, space again, not equal to yes, and then if they type no, it will quit the game. So IT quit, open and close bracket. Let's run it. See, welcome to the quiz game. Welcome to the quiz game. Do you want to play? Yes. You can type yes here. So nothing happened because we didn't write the question yet. We have to continue to write the program. Playing, yes. Quit, no. Okay. So let's say they want to continue to play the game. So it give them a words like saying, "Great, let's play," or "Let's continue." Something like that. It can be anything. But for me, I will do it like this: print, print, open and close bracket, double quotation again. Great. Space. Let's play. Close bracket and run it. Yes. Great. Let's play. There you go, guys. So next thing we want to do is actually, do you see a space here after great let's play? So in our code, screen code here, we have to make space. If you don't want to make space also, it's fine, but it won't look pretty, it won't look neat. So it will be messy. So I suggest you to space here after great let's play, space and start write your question. So here I'm going to write a comment here. Provide question and answer. Question, answer. Okay, what you need to do is type answer space equal to input, open and close bracket, double quotation, and in the middle where you start to write your question. Every time they fly. So I will make space here. This space actually for your answer, for the user answer, for the player answer. They will write somewhere here. Okay, let's finish the code. Let's write the answer. Use the if statement again. If answer, if they answer it correct, if answer space equal to no you. Don't forget your double quotation sign, Nokia space. Then let's print correct. Yes, they got it correct. Correct. Got it correct. So we're going to continue the code. Let's finish the code. Let's say the user uh, got it wrong for the first question. So we will use else statement for that. Else space. Then we just type print and bracket, double quotation sign. Just type incorrect in the middle. Correct. Okay. Let's try to run the program. You wanna play? Yes. So let's make the answer wrong for this first question. Yeah. I'll just put anything, any word. There you go. You got the incorrect for the first question. Okay. We go back to our code. So in this quiz, I'm going to make 4 5 question. So what you can do is actually for the next question is by copy paste the first code, copy all, space here, paste here, one, another one here, two, three. So how many question we have? One, two, three, four, four. Another one, yeah. 5. We make it 5, yeah. Okay, what you need to do is just edit the input area with another question. You can write another question here. So I'm going to write planet So which planet is closest to the Earth? The Earth. Okay, the answer here, you can just edit the 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 input here with Mercury. Which planet is the closest to the Earth? The answer is Mercury. Okay, just apply to the rest of the question. You can just edit all input. So let's continue to write all the question first, yeah, before we run all the program. Okay, the third question is uh, what what food is made by bees? So here I'm going to put honey. Honey. Okay. Fourth question. What is the biggest? What the biggest ocean in the world? So here the answer is the Pacific. Pacific. Okay, last question. We're going to write uh what is the longest river in the world? So the answer should be the Nile River. The Nile River. Okay, let's run our code and see how. You wanna play? Yes. Whose nose grows longer every time you tell lie? Pinocchio. Pinocchio. Correct. Which planet is closest to the Mercury? Mercury. Okay, we got incorrect here. So I will explain about this later on. Let's just finish the question first, yeah. What food is made by bees? Honey. Okay, we got incorrect also, even though we got it right actually. What's the biggest ocean in the world? The Pacific. Incorrect. Okay, it's okay. I will explain why we got incorrect. Longest river in the world is the Nile River. Okay. Okay, the reason actually why we got incorrect for the second question is because in our code we write M is in the capital letter. So whenever display here, we should write the answer is start with the capital letter. So how can we do this? Actually, it's quite simple. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. So what you can do is actually edit the if statement here into the answer. Put dot there. You can actually use upper or lower. Upper or lower. Let's apply. Okay, this means actually whenever answer that I write in capital letter will automatically convert this M to the small letter. So I'm going to apply all of this answer dot lower in on in the rest of the other question. Just have to copy that, put here, paste here, paste here. Just apply to the rest of the question, the if statement. Yeah. Okay, let's run it and see. Yes. Whose nose grows longer every time they alive? No. Okay. Which planet is closer to it? Just now we start with the small letter and then we got incorrect for this one. But now let's try insert capital letter again, yeah? Oh no, small letter. Because the answer that we write is supposed to be in capital letter, but now try put using using a small letter and see what happened. Oh, we still got it incorrect. Okay, never mind. We have to check again. I'm sorry. We need to edit this part. Actually, we need to use small letter. Try to run again. Small letter. But now we will write it in capital letter. Fury. Okay, just now we got all the answer is incorrect. Correct. So we only got one correct here. For Pinocchio, the rest, even though we give the answer is true, Mercury, only the spelling, only the capital letter, but we still got incorrect. So we need to check our code again. There might be error there. So after if statement, answer dot lower. So here we need to put open and close bracket and apply to all, yeah. Open and close the if statement, close. Okay, let's run again, yeah, our code. You wanna play? Yes. Enter. No. Which planet is closest to the Earth? So let's use capital letter. Mercury. Okay, we got it right. So what food is made by bees? Here I'm going to type honey. Incorrect. Okay, we got it incorrect, yeah. Even though we the answer is actually right, but actually why is it incorrect? Actually, the code that we type here here is the problem, yeah. We have problem here. Let's check why we got correct, why we got incorrect. What food made by bee? Supposed to be correct, yeah. Honey. Let's try to change the capital letter, yeah, to small letter honey. Because of this, yeah, lower. Then we try change this and run again and see. say yes. No. Planet is closest to the Earth. Mercury. Food is made by bees. Let's type honey. Okay, we got it correct. What is the biggest ocean in the world? Let's put Pacific. Okay, we got it incorrect. This is the reason why we got incorrect for the third question. Is because of this P is not in capital letter. Because we have to write is exactly what's inside our code here, because here we write it capital letter. So the answer here we should write it in capital letter too. So if we don't write in a capital letter, we will get incorrect. Let's just finish the quiz first. What is the longest river in the world? So here I write it this way, the Nile River. Okay, we got incorrect too. This is because, let's check our code again. Why? The Nile River. Okay. Nile. Actually, here for the fifth question is actually in our code you put here lower, dot lower, the Nile River. Okay, got it incorrect for the four and number five, question number five. We got incorrect, yeah, because if we use answer dot lower, which mean here actually the code, our code is we supposed to put all in small letter, all in small letter, yeah. Then we try to run it again, and we will definitely get correct answer for this. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly, yeah. Simply right, go to the number 4 and 5 question, because lower. Okay, Pacific. There you go, guys, you got it correct. And number 5, what is longest river in the world? The Nile River. Okay, we got it correct. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Score. So every time you get it right and you want to show that we got it correct. So in this statement, so how are we going to do that? It's actually quite simple. So every answer inside the if statement, you can put it here actually under the print, under the if statement. After print, you can write there score plus 1. Got 1 correct. Just copy every if statement of the question. Press there. This is definitely not going to work. Yeah, actually we do it like this 4 plus. So to initialize this code, to make it work, we need to provide uh, what we call a formula for it. Yeah, maybe we can write it down here. Make a comment first. Provide for. Okay, let's start with our code. Let's print there. Print. Just write a sentence or any words that saying that they got it correct. You got this. Under double quotation space plus string open for it plus 9. Question correct. Question correct. And then we have to write exclamation mark, exclamation point, sorry, double quotation and close bracket. Print another one. Print another one for same thing. Got double quotation space plus string for. Now we have to use two open brackets for insert the formula here, space divided by how many question we have, 5 question, close bracket, and then we have to times space times sorry times 100, close bracket, 100, close bracket, plus space double quotation space. Here we're going to insert a percent sign dot, and then double quotation close bracket. This to show our score, how many we get after answer all the question. So let's try to run program. You wanna play? Yes. Go. Correct. 3. Oh, we got error here. Let's check first. But what is the problem? Okay, name error, name score not defined. Okay, let's check our code first. Yeah. Okay, from what I saw here, name score is not defined. This is quite easy. Just go your code again, and you have to define your score first. So let's put it under the screen here. Let's play to define our score first. Score space equal to 0. Okay, let's try to run our code and see. Yes, let's try again. Yeah, run run our code first. Yes, you correct. Which planet causes the Earth? Mercury. What food is made by honey? What is the biggest ocean in the world? The Nile River. Sorry, the Pacific. Okay, we got it wrong because of the spelling. Yeah. Okay, we make it one or two wrong. What is the longest river in the world? So Nile River. You got 60%. There you go, guys. It showed the 60% correct because got one wrong. Actually, okay, okay. Let's close this. Okay, okay, guys. After that, I will show you. As you can see here, answer lower Mercury. So here I'm going to edit a bit. I'm going to add more option for the answer. Let's say the user type Mercury. No, I think this one fine already. Okay, honey, it's fine. Let's So I will choose number 3. Yeah, I will make the answer more option. What I mean by more option is, for example, what is the biggest ocean in the world? Let's say the user straight away answer Pacific, or type it with a capital letter Pacific, or small letter Pacific without the D word, THE word. So we want them to get correct too. So in this case, what you need to do is use an or statement, or just put or there, or, and then copy the answer dot lower with equal sign. Copy that, just paste it here and paste here, and write your other answer. Here I will put Pacific. 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 Paste. So I want number 3 and number 4. I'm sorry, I want number 4 and number 5 to have a lot of options in the answer. It's just to help the user easy to answer the quiz actually. So here, same thing with this one. I'm going to use an or statement. Paste the code. Sorry, copy this. Okay, paste it here. Type answer. Maybe I'll be write Nile River without the D. Double station sign. Paste here, and let's try to run it and see. Yes, I want to play. Nokia, Mercury, honey. What is the biggest ocean in the world? Okay, for this third question just now, is the answer, the code that we are given is the Pacific. Okay, let's type only Pacific. Pacific. There you go. So what is longest river in the world? So we type Nile River without the D word. There you go, guys. You got correct. Okay, this method is actually want to make more option for the answer. You can just copy and paste, make to make it like 4 5 option of answer if you want to. Let's say, or you can add more. Let's say for the Pacific here. So I will make another option answer, or here paste the code, paste answer dot lower, copy and paste here, paste, paste. So now I will put with capital letter. Okay. Paste. Let's run it and see. Yes, longer Pinocchio goes third. Okay. Biggest ocean in the world. Ocean in the world. Put it capital letter. Correct. There you go. Nile River. Correct. Another correct answer. Nile River. Get 80% correct. Okay, let's close this for a while. Okay, let's continue. Okay, what if after the user answer all the question and then suddenly they failed? Let's say they get it 4 out of 5 correct, but then they want to play again. So let's provide them another options. So after they play the games, and then we will ask them whether they want to play again, and then we provide yes and no for them. Okay, let's do that. Okay, first you need to provide a statement for that. So what you can do is actually you can write under the if statement here. Under the if statement, after the score above, play underscore again dash equal to yes. Double quotation, yeah, don't forget. And after you guys make the statement here, and then you go at the bottom, space here, after the print, have the space there, and then we write another statement, play again, play underscore again, space input, and ask them whether they want to play the game. Do you want to play again? Okay. Then space here, yes, slash no, slash yes or no, space, and then another double quotation, close bracket, space here, close bracket, and then below here you can write an if statement. Here you can write if statement, if play underscore again is equal to yes, yes, yes. Then here we print tab print okay, okay, space, let's play, let's play again, close bracket. Okay, let's try to run the code, yeah, and see what happened. Unterminated string literal detected at line 20. Okay, don't worry. So it's showing on double quotation there. Let's try again. The same problem. Okay, don't worry. Fix that. Okay, let's check what's the error here. Okay, double quotation. Okay, yeah, we forgot another double quotation here. Okay, let's try to run it again and see. Yes. Okay, we just quickly go. I'll just simply write the answer, yeah. Okay, here, as you can see here, guys, it says, do you want to play again? So you can type yes. Okay, let's play again. Notice that it doesn't continue to play again. Okay. Okay, don't worry, because we didn't finish the code yet. I'm just going to show you on this part first. Okay, let's close this. Okay, let's finish the code. Yeah, notice that after the question asks whether do you want to play again. So when we type yes, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't appear anything on the screen. So this is because we need to provide another statement for that. So here you can write while play again is equal to yes. So with this statement, it will definitely rerun the program back and start again all over again. So let's try to run this module. Okay, here we have some error, expected an indented block after while statement on line 10. So what happened is here, after while statement, what we need to do to avoid the error again is to make a space here. Just click tab and apply to the rest of the question. Tab here, here tab, shift it to the right side, tab, tab, and apply it to the rest of the code. Yeah. For and this one, this one, this, this, tab, 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 tab. Okay, and this one too. Yeah. Okay, let's try to run our program. Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's quickly go to the to end this quiz. Yeah. Okay, do you want to play again? Yes. Okay, let's play again. See, it's restart again the program, so we can start play again. Okay, what if the game asks us, do you want to play again? And then we provide the answer is no. What's going to happen? Okay, let's try to run again and see how. Yes, quickly go. You want to play again? So let's type no. No. Notice that it didn't do anything here. It's because we didn't finish write the code and the code yet. So what we can do here is actually see here print. Okay, let's play again. We have to write another statement. Have to print another statement. Let's comment here first for end the game. User quit the game. User quit the game. Yeah. Okay, let's print here. Let's print. Okay, here we need to tap. Yeah. Okay, we don't need to tap. I think we just write print here. Print. Just say any word. Thanks for playing. Or you can say Goodbye. Don't forget the double quotation and close the bracket. Okay, let's try to run the program and see. Yes. Okay, let's quickly go to the end. Do you want to play again? No, let's type no. What happened? Thanks for playing. Goodbye. That's about it. And that's how I make my very first quiz. And I hope you guys enjoy it and learn to make your own quiz. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.